I'm in prison for fucking 13 years. What do you expect her to do?
Right.
Like, save the pussy?
Right.
It's not a hedge fund. I don't know, but but I forgave her immediately.
Right.
Because I understand. But I just had to move on.
Right, that's right.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up Shorty and big up to them. She's actually here. No, she's in Lauderdale because I left her in Lauderdale.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Yeah. So,
That's super mature of you, too, for sure.
Of course, bro, she gave me 3 sons.
Yeah.
Come on. Big up Shorty, I love her. She made me cry as fuck. No. I was in prison. The other prison was like, what boss? It's crazy, man. And that's what people love about me, because I just speak my truth, man. I put it in music. Fuck that. I only live once, man.
So how you found out?
My other baby mother. My life is crazy. No, seriously, my other baby mother told me, oh, you fucking hyping up Shorty, she fucking some guy.